Good morning, student. Today we will start chapter 1, Computer and Introduction and Evolution. In this chapter, today we discuss what is computer, data, information and major application of computer. First, we discuss what is computer. Simply, we know that computer is an electronic machine which takes data and instruction from user and process it according to the instruction of user and send the output as information. We simply take example of calculator. In a calculator, if we do addition of two numbers, that is 2 plus 3. So what we have to do? We enter 2, then press plus, then 3. That means we enter this data in calculator. That is from input device in computer system. That means it is input form, that is raw material. It's called data. After this, it processes on this user input and gives the result 5 as output. Just like a calculator function, as an example in computer system, if we enter this data, then CPU works on these user instructions and gives us 5 as an output, that is called information. We take another example, washing machine. Washing machine. In washing machine, we have first take the water, surf and cloth. Then for processing, we as an input keep these all things in washing machine, and for processing we run the washing machine. After this we get a fresh or washed cloth as output. So these are two basic examples on computer system work. We simply say computer works on IPO cycle. That means I for input, P for process and O for output. We take another example, planting. That we have to grow a plant. We as a input there is a small plant, soil, water and etc. After some days processing, then as an output there is a small plant. So, computer works on IPO cycle. After this, we discuss data. Whatever we have to enter in computer system as an input, that is called data. That means it is a raw fact. For example, in any manufacturer company, whatever their manufacture or product as a production, there for if we take example of any plastic company, then there as a raw data, first they made different solution of plastic, then process on that work, and after this the materials related to plastic as a manufacturing. That means raw fact is called a data. That is in we have to give for processing. After this, information. Whatever we have to get after the processing of our computer system as a result, that is called information. That means information we say useful data. that we have to need. That we have to need, that we use proper way. Because before processing, that is not used for us, that is raw fact. But after processing, that is called information, that is important for us. After this, the next topic, major application of computer. Major application of computer. Application of computer means where we have to use computer. The first one is education. In education, the live example, you have to say that with the help of computer, we have to teach or online take class. We have to download PDF, video, audios, all of things for teaching purpose. We have to submit online form, online education. Second is computer at home, and this is basically for entertainment or work from home. Third is in business. It is very important, but because the today time is that is modernized, and with the help of computer we keep our business going very well from one place to another place. Fourth one is communication, and the computer is a very good way to communicate from one people to other. With the help of computer we have to do video conferencing, and that is very important in today's. Fifth is research purpose. We have to use computer because in a research there is a very valuable 1 second, 2 second time, and there we have to use supercomputer for research purpose. 6. Medicine and healthcare centers, where very important to know in which ratio we have to mix the mixture of medicine, and there different technology used in this manufacturing. For this we have to use computer very well. Seventh is theater and fun. For large movie and film, that we have to use computer very well. And last one is manufacturing process. There is very different type machines that is operated by computer system. So these are the major application area of the computers where we have to use. So today we discuss what is computer, data, information, major application of computer. I hope you got it proper way